Hello, this is Matt Doctor for iTechNews.gr. Today we're going to see a pair of wireless earphones from Xiaomi, the QCY T1 Pro, a true wireless version of earphones, wireless earphones that came to me from Cafago. I have reviewed them some time ago, and they had back then a really good offer where you could get them for about 20 euros. Now if you search them on the site, they are about 37 euros, almost twice the price. So I took advantage of the offer that they had back then. It was somewhere before Christmas, and I bought them from Cafago. They came to me without any problem with customs, and here they are. Now this is the box that came to me. QCY stereo Bluetooth earphones. Now as you can see here, it says QCY T1 Pro touch Bluetooth earphones. It's T1 Pro, Bluetooth version 5, operation rates 10 meters, talk time about 4-5 hours, standby time is 100 hours, that's about 4 days. Battery capacity for earphones is 40 milliampere. Battery capacity of charging case is 750 milliampere. Input parameter is 500 milliampere. Battery type is lithium. These are the other information that you get. The QCY T1 Pro true wireless Bluetooth earphones are made, as I told you, with a cooperation with Xiaomi. They have IPX4 waterproof and sweatproof protection, so you can wear them while running, jogging, or even under the rain. They have the ability of controlling incoming calls and music. This big area that you see here is a button, so it's very easy to use them. They need about 1 to 2 hours in order to charge them. After that, you have used them. They're compatible with Android mobiles and with iOS mobiles. They weigh about 4.73 grams. It's earphone, and the case with the earphones weight about 77 grams. Now, as I told you, this is the box, so let's open it. Let's see, open. This is the box. It opens like that. Now you see here at the back it says right and left. The earphones are placed like that inside the ear. They are in-ear earphones. The charging case. Here it says QCY. Here is for charging, and here you can see how much battery you have in the charging case. Here it's about 75%. Let's see what else is inside the box. Normally it must have a charging cable. Here it is, the charging cable. Ear tips to change them, and a manual doesn't want to come out. So we have here in the manual, and in English, as you can see, how to use them. Now, depending the time, how much long you are going to press the button on the earphones, it gets an order to do, to reject a call, to move to the next song. So this is here. Now I have already connected them to my mobile. As you can see here, QCY T1 Pro R. For phone calls, media audio, contact sharing, and it supports AAC, which provides high quality audio experience. Now the quality, because I have used them some time in order to see if they are good before I presented them to you, it's really very good. They stay on the ear very good, they don't drop. I have to say that it's a good job, and it does isolate any outer sound, so you can hear the other very good. They are good with the mic. They don't have any problems with incoming calls. It's easy to control calls and music. You have the manual for that, and just pressing the button you will see yourself what is going on. It's a very good option if you want to get a good pair of earphones. I will try to get a coupon from Cafago, from where I bought them, in order to get them again at a very good price as back then. Now you don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video in order and others to learn about the earphones. And this is my doctor for iTechNews.gr. Bye.